In 1990, a group of neurophysiologists did an experiment that shows you now how to 100 times accelerate your Krav Maga training. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. And let's start right now.
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi, my name is Edmund. I'm a Krav Maga expert, and if this is your first time here and you are into Krav Maga, martial arts, self-defense and fighting, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get all our future videos. Right, let me drop some science on you. Have you heard of mirror neurons? So listen to this one. In 1990, a group of neurophysiologists placed electrodes in the brain of a monkey to study the electrical response of the brain when the monkey was allowed to reach for food. So there was one specific movement when the monkey was able to do, and the scientists were recording the brain response to one simple movement. Nothing special in that, nothing interesting. But where it gets interesting to us is when the scientists noticed that the monkey's brain responds in a very similar manner, in a very similar way to the actual movement of a monkey, or monkey observing a person reaching for food and doing the same movement. So the conclusion was that observation triggers the same areas in the brain, which basically proves a point that we can learn by observation. So basically, without you doing any action, you watching someone doing that action will make you learn. Now, why is this important to you? There are two reasons. I don't know about you, but I'm all about accelerated learning. If I can learn something faster, easier and in a more enjoyable way, I'm personally up for it. And watching others doing well what you want to learn is one of the best ways to become extremely good really fast. When you are watching someone, observing someone, you are learning a lot. But you know what? The exact opposite is also true. If you're observing someone doing the wrong movements, the wrong habits, the things you don't want to learn, you'll still be absorbing them. That's why you have to be sure that you are learning the right things and from the right people. The first way to do that is go to fit2fightback.com, get for yourself one of the video courses we recorded for you, and watch me performing the techniques. This is one of the fastest and best ways to learn your Krav Maga. And the second way is something I really strongly believe in. I think all Kravers should watch UFC fights and good MMA fighters. By sitting at home, you can really learn a lot about fighting. Just go to YouTube and put any good fighters' names and enjoy absorbing all the fighting moves, absorbing his techniques, absorbing his style. To make sure you watch the right guys and for the right reasons, I put together a video of 7 best UFC fighters you have to watch as a Krav Maga fighter. Make sure you find that video in our channel and watch all these fighters one by one. Study them, see their movements, and also make sure you watch our video to make sure you're watching out for the possible mistakes they are making. Mistakes in the reality of Krav Maga. It's very different to UFC. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get our future videos and all the knowledge you'll get from a Krav Maga expert. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep training, and I'll see you in the next video.